You thought skipping checked bags would save you money, time, and stress? Welcome to 2025, where your carry-on gets treated like contraband. You paid for a basic ticket. You packed smart. You showed up early. And yet, you standing at the gate watching a yellow tag get slapped on your approved carry-on like it's being sent to exile? So much for control, right? Here's the truth. It's not random. It's not bad luck. It's a system. If you don't know how it works, it will work against you. Today, I'm showing you how to beat the carry-on crisis without paying extra. Without hovering at the gate and without sacrificing the stuff you actually need. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to pack like a pro board without panic. And keep your personal item exactly where it belongs. Under your seat, not under a pile of strangers' luggage. The trap airlines don't tell you about. Let's start with the trap most travelers fall into. Thinking your carry-on is included. That cute little roller bag you bought to dodge check bag fees. Yeah, some airlines now charge more for that than for a check bag. They don't always warn you up front either. You book a cheap flight, then at check-in boom, a $65 carry-on convenience fee. Suddenly, your bargain ticket feels like a bad joke. And if you do pay for that carry-on, there's still a chance the gate agent says, "We're out of overhead space, you'll have to check that." Translation: you paid to carry it, and now it's in the belly of the plane anyway. It's not just inconvenience risky. Your meds, your laptop, your valuables, gone down a conveyor belt with zero warning. Why chasing bin space is a losing game. That's why people turn into gate lice. They crowd the boarding zone early, hovering like hawks, just to grab bin space before it runs out. It's awkward, stressful, and it makes the whole process a nightmare. But what if you didn't need bin space at all? A smarter play. Here's what seasoned travelers are doing. Skip the carry-on. Bring only a personal item. Sounds impossible, right? Like, how do you fit everything into one bag under the seat? But here's why it works. 1. No surprise fees. Even budget airlines give you 1 free personal item. 2. You keep control. It never leaves your side. No risk of damage. No gate check. 3. You board stress-free. No sprinting for bin space. Stroll on. Slide it under the seat. Done. How to pack a personal item like a pro. Here's the secret. The Ranger roll. Flip a small edge of your shirt to make a pocket. Lay it flat. Roll it tight. Then tuck the pocket over to lock it. Compact. No wrinkles. Doesn't unravel. I fit 5 days worth of clothes in one backpack. This way New York weather swings and all. Then level up with compression packing cubes. Put your rolled clothes inside. Zip it once like normal. Then zip the second track to squeeze out all the air. Suddenly, your bulky sweaters turn into a dense little brick of space efficiency. Now combine Ranger roll plus compression cube plus a bag that maxes out your airline's personal item dimensions. My go-to, a full-size travel backpack with a laptop slot, charger pockets, and suitcase-style opening. Extra comfort hack in the air. Here's a bonus trick. During takeoff and landing, your personal item stays under the seat, but once the seatbelt signs off, slide it back a few inches so it rests behind your calves. It frees up knee space, helps you stretch, and makes long flights way more comfortable. Avoiding TSA headaches. One last way to keep your trip smooth. Don't pack things that get you stopped at security. Liquids. Still 3.4 ounces max, all in one quart-size bag. Sharp objects. No knives, loose razor blades, or sketchy scissors. Power banks. Carry on, only never in checked luggage. Check the TSA list before you pack, or message Ask SA on X. They actually respond. Wrap up, emotional close, plus call to action. Traveling with just a personal item isn't about packing less, it's about packing smarter. No fees, no gate drama, no wrestling for bin space. Just you, your essentials, and the freedom to focus on the trip, not the luggage. If this video helped you rethink how you fly, hit that like button. It tells YouTube this was worth your time. Share it with the friend who always overpacks. And subscribe if you want more tips that help you travel lighter. Laugh a little and dodge the traps airlines don't warn you about. Next up, we're talking about what not to pack in your personal item. Trust me, TSA doesn't mess around. See you in the next one. Safe travels.